What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up, love? I'm Kay, and if you've been here before, thank you so much for stopping back by. All right, so today I'm going to be showing you this unit by Mscoco hair. Girl, I have been craving BODYWAVE hair, and they came through, girl. You are about to see some amazing quality. Okay, so first of all, before I show you the unit, this is how the unit comes. Before I show you that, I want to show you all of the goodies that I got inside my bag. You guys know I love the free stuff. Okay, so firstly, I got this pair of 3D eyelashes. I'm obsessed. You guys know I love big eyelashes. It's just that I have extensions right now. But then I got a bonnet as well. If you know, I've got one of the biggest bonnet collections ever, and I did want to add this one. It's so cute, and it's a bit larger. It's not like a small size. And then I also have this headband from Mscoco. They gave me this really cute butterfly type floral headband. It's really cute, and I like the fact that it's dark, so it's not going to stain easily. And then they also gave a thank you card, so when you get a purchase, or when you purchase, you get this with your purchase. It basically just tells you how to take care of the wig and everything. And then they also gave me 2 wig caps. I love getting wig caps. You can never have too many. So then they also gave me, okay, so this is the actual unit. The details are on the packet. It is 24 inches of BODYWAVE, and it comes like curled and everything. So I'm going to take out the unit so that you can see how it comes when you buy it. So it comes very, very secure. So not only is it in that plastic, but it also comes with a hairnet, and it comes with foams and all of that, protecting the lace and the tracts. So this is how it looks. I'm gonna just unwrap it for you guys. You can watch me do that. And it also has that foam protecting the lace, if you can see that whiteboard. Yeah, that. So yeah, this is how the wig is inside. It is a 13 by 4, and it's got clips. It's got everything that you need. So it's got those little combs, and then it's got adjustable clips at the bottom, and darling, this hair is so thick. It is unbelievably thick. Like, I'm obsessed. Like, I have been craving BODYWAVE hair, and this shine, this luster, look how beautiful this hair is. Stunning. I cannot get enough. It is so pretty. So yeah, this is how the hair comes. And then this is the hairline. It comes pre-plucked, and you have baby hairs that come in the wig. And yeah, this is how the tracks look. The tracks look like they've been sewn on very, very well, and this is where the adjustable straps are. So this is how the inside of the hair looks. But darling, can you see the thickness? Can you see the bounce? Can you see the curl? Like, it's perfect. So yeah, then I just took a little break to go and curl the hair. I absolutely love how the curl came out. I plucked the part, and I also just, snipped the lace. And now I'm going to start installing. I also went ahead and adjusted the clips at the bottom so that the hair can fit me. And then to just tint the lace, I'm gonna take a foundation, and I'm gonna take a brush, and I'm just gonna put that on the lace. Honestly, this is all I do for tinting. The hair came pre-bleached, so I don't have to do anything when it comes to the knots, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put some foundation on the lace. I'm doing this so that the hair can blend really nicely with my hair. And then I'm going to be doing the stocking cap method. So yeah, I've done this a million times, but basically I put holes on the side of my head, and then I put some got to be freeze spray on the lace. I dry that up, and then I cut off the excess. You guys can watch me do that. And then it's time to install the actual unit. So I'm just going to put that onto my head and line it up, and then I lift the lace so that I have space to put my got2b gel. I use the black got2b gel, and I basically put that around the perimeter of my head, and then I use the blow dryer. Why am I forgetting what a blow dryer is? And then I use the blow dryer to make that tacky, and I just lay the wig on the lace, and that's basically all that I do for the install. And then afterwards I'm just gonna break the curls up, and yeah, the hair is just going to look fantastic. If you saw the clip in the beginning of this video, you're gonna see just how fantastic this hair looked. And also, mind you, I did not do too much plucking to the lace, but look at that. Look at how seamless that looks. Girl, I loved this install. I absolutely loved it. So yeah. And after breaking my curls and all of that, I am done, you guys. I love this hair, and I honestly think every girl needs a 24 to 26 inch long frontal that's body wave and in a natural black color. I think every girl needs one. It's such a statement. It's such a staple also at the same time. So yeah, if you have not gone into my description box and seen everything about this hair, then definitely go down in there. And if I have a discount code, that I will also have that in there for you guys. But thank you so much to Mscoco for this beautiful lace wig. I'm absolutely I'm in love with it. I love it so much. So yeah, if you guys love it too and want to make your purchases, then definitely go down into my description box for all the links. But for now, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.